Hello everybody, this is Lanko, and I know that if you clicked on this video, it's because you want your Anki to go from this to this. And if that is the case, then welcome. I'm here to help you do this in a matter of minutes. So let's not waste any time and let's get right into the video. All right, so first we have to talk about the requirements. So the requirements to make your Anki look beautiful will be having 4 different things actually. First off, obviously you need Anki installed. In case you don't already have it installed on the machine that you're using right now, or whether maybe you need to update to a new version, I will be leaving a link in the description below for you to download Anki. And apart from Anki, which is very obviously needed to do this, you're also going to need 3 add-ons, all right? So the 3 add-ons will be the Dancing Baloney add-on, Anki Zoom, and the colorful button add-on. So I'm actually going to explain what each one of these does and how to use it. So for the Dancing Baloney add-on, what you're going to want to do is obviously install it off of the Anki add-ons page. I'm going to leave a link to the add-on in the description. So once you've installed this add-on, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up the files section. Once you've opened up the file section, once you click view file and open the file section of this add-on after it's been installed, you just add in whatever image or GIF that you want. Once you've done this, you can change it to whatever you want. Personally, I have mine set to the lo-fi study girl, but if you want to set yours to a GIF of a dog jumping up and down, a cutscene from a movie, I don't know, a picture of your family, you can do that. You can make the background of your Anki whatever you please. And fortunately, this add-on is highly customizable, and it gives you actually an option to like modify the code which you work with. So I highly recommend this one. This one is a must-have if you want to make your Anki look good. Second, you're going to need the Zoom Anki add-on. So for the Zoom add-on, which I am recommending, which I will also be linking in the description below, this add-on allows you to zoom in and out of Anki. I personally believe that this should be something that comes with Anki already. This is something that is so basic, so fundamental. It's kind of hard to imagine that somebody would forget such a simple feature. But regardless, it's not in the base version of Anki, so you have to get it on an add-on. Now, all this does is zoom things in and out. And obviously, it helps a lot if you're dealing with smaller text, or if you just want the words on your screen to look bigger, right? So it helps a lot. Personally, I use it quite a bit. And what I like about it the most is that the zoom percentage stays there. It doesn't like reset every single time you reset Anki, which is pretty cool. It works pretty well. Here is some footage of it being used. And yeah, the zoom add-on really does help when it comes to viewing images or viewing large bodies of text, or just smaller text in general, things that need to be differentiated. All right, so lastly, but not least, of course, is the colorful buttons add-on. This colorful buttons add-on is actually extremely aesthetically pleasing. So what it does is it essentially helps you reinforce which button is which. So it allows you to know, okay, red is bad, blue is wonderful, and green is good. So that's literally what it does. It helps you reinforce what you've been learning with colors. It's just a little bit of an aesthetic add-on. There's nothing too crazy about this add-on, but it does change the colors and it actually does make a difference. If you're a person who studies hours on end with Anki, looking at different kinds of decks for different languages, for different school subjects, it can get pretty tiring to look at such dull colors all the time. So this add-on really does help you make Anki look a little bit more lively. And for this colorful button add-on, there actually is no setup to it. All you gotta do is install it, restart your Anki, and bam, it will work. Well, yeah, that has been today's video. Thank you so much for paying attention, staying tuned. If you found this video useful, if you found this video of value to you, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I will be making more videos like this in the future, talking about Anki, talking about language learning, giving out tips and resources. So once again, this has been Lanko. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.